Number 4 is MIXWARE Mini 3D Printer. The MIXWARE Mini 3D Printer is an optimistic choice for budding creators, a doorway to a realm where imagination takes shape. This pint-sized powerhouse delivers the magic of 3D printing with a breeze. It's like having a mini factory right on your desk. Just plug in the printer and watch it come alive, no tech wizardry needed. Crafted with beginners and kids in mind, it's a symphony of user-friendliness. Imagine hitting a button and voila, the printer levels itself automatically. No more fumbling with complicated adjustments. And loading filament? A breeze! The MIXWARE Mini's innovative system makes it a piece of cake, perfect for young inventors itching to turn their dreams into reality. With a printing space of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters, it's the canvas where ideas flourish. Compatibility? It dances with your wildest ideas, giving life to designs dreamed up on your computer. From superheroes to spaceships, the MIXWARE Mini brings them all to life. It's a symphony of simplicity, a masterclass in creativity, and the key to unlocking a world where you're the architect of the extraordinary. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.